Looking for a simple bathroom upgrade that combines style and function? Moen's chrome toilet paper holder offers a sleek, mirror-like finish that instantly elevates any bathroom decor. Its versatile design complements everything from classic to modern styles, making it a subtle yet impactful addition to your space. At just 5.62 inches long and 1 inch in diameter, this holder fits perfectly into a standard 5/8-inch wall hole. What sets it apart is the Pro-Fit installation system, which eliminates the hassle of set screws. This means you can mount it quickly and securely without struggling with tiny parts. Plus, the roller is made from durable plastic, ensuring smooth operation every time you reach for a sheet. Moen's commitment to quality spans over 80 years, and this product is no exception. Designed with customer needs in mind, it reflects the brand's focus on innovation and lasting performance. Whether you prefer classic chrome, warm nickel, or bold black and gold finishes, Moen offers a range of options to match your personal style and bathroom theme. One user praised how well it holds their toilet paper and even mentioned the shiny chrome finish catching their eye during their morning routine. That kind of attention to detail isn't just about looks, it's about enhancing everyday moments with a product you can trust. If you're tired of flimsy holders or complicated installations, this is a straightforward upgrade worth considering. If that's you, someone who values both form and function, Moen's chrome toilet paper holder is worth a look. It's more than just a bathroom accessory, it's a subtle way to bring a polished, reliable touch to your home. Try it when you're ready to replace that old, worn-out holder with something that truly lasts.